Good day, Monique. It is July 24th, 2012, day 51 of the project. I can't believe we reached D50. And today I'm recording in the bathroom because my parents are out and I have no privacy and other reasons, and yeah. Anyhow, today I greatly enjoy your topic, by the way. I'm going to talk about where I've been. I guess I've been overseas a fair bit in comparison to most people. I guess this is mostly because my mother comes from Holland. So we still have a great amount of family over in Europe. So when I was, I guess, I believe, well, when I was a baby, when I was 4, and again when I was 15, I've been to Holland. When I was 15, we did a great big trip, and Holland was a part of that, and we went to, I guess from Holland, we went through Germany to Austria, to Switzerland, down into Italy, back up into France, spent the day in Belgium, and then back to Holland. So we've kind of seen and done most of Western Europe, I guess, minus Spain and Portugal. I greatly enjoyed it. I loved it so much. I absolutely love traveling. I want to do it again really bad. I would love to do it with my mother again, but who knows if that'll happen because I'm poor and she's getting older and yeah. Anyhow, within Canada, I've been to just British Columbia and Saskatchewan. I love British Columbia. I love going to Jasper, even though it's in Alberta. But as I think I've told you before, Jasper is just my home, really. It's where I feel the most, I guess, together and whole and whatnot. Camrose being the second place, or school being the second place. I guess other than that, I've been to coastal BC mostly, both on the island and on the mainland. I have my part of my mom's family lives there now, so we see them on a regular basis. My dad's brother lives on the island, so we see them on a regular basis. Not so much now, but yeah, I guess. I greatly enjoy traveling. I guess we both do. Perhaps in the future we should do a trip somewhere. Who knows where? Anyhow, I think I'm going to wrap this up because I don't know where my dad is right now. He could be coming back in any minute, and I don't want him to not necessarily barge in, but come in general. So I guess I will see your video tomorrow, and I cannot wait to see your actual travel video on Friday. I'm so excited. Also, I was thinking of coming down on Friday, if that's all good. I hope so. I will see you later. Goodbye.